let's learn about letters. Letters are so much fun. I like that letters all look different and they all make different sounds. What I really like about letters is that when we take them and put them together, we can blend those sounds. And when we do, we make words. Hey, do you want to play a fun letter game with me? Here's how it works. When you see the letter come up on the screen, I want you to shout out its name. Then shout out the sound it makes. So if you see this, you will say N. Then make the sound. N says N. N is a voiced sound because when I put my hand on my throat, I can feel it tickling and moving. Say N. N. Let's see how fast you can name the letter and the sound that it makes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. What letter is this? That's right. That's letter A. And the sound it makes is ah, 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 like apple, alligator, astronaut. Did you get it correct? Great. Let's try another one. What letter is this? That's right. This is letter E. E makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Let's see if E is a voiced sound. Hold your hand gently on your throat and make the sound eh, eh. Do you feel any movement or tickling? Eh. That's right. That means we're using our voice or our vocal cords to make that sound and not just using air. The E sound is at the beginning of all of these words. Elephant, egg, engine, elf. Let's go super fast this time. What letter is it and what sound does it make? Ready? What letter is this? Very good. O is also a voiced sound. Ah. All of these words have the ah sound at the beginning. Octopus, ostrich, otter, ox. Here's the next one. What letter is this and what sound does it make? 3, 2, 1. This is letter S. S says S. Is S voiced? S. There's no moving. That means we're not using our voice to make that sound. We're just blowing air like this. My tongue lifts up a little bit. The S sound is at the beginning of all of these words. Say them with me. Sun, snake, sock, sandwich. What letter is this? Good. L says oh. I'm using my voice. Say them with me. Lion, leaf, lemon, ladder. What letter and sound does this make? That's B. B. B is at the beginning of all of these words. Say them with me. Ball, bear, bike, book. That was so much fun. I hope that you enjoyed learning about letters as much as I did.
Before you leave, make sure to hit that subscribe button to come back and have more fun learning. But first, let's play. Stand in one spot, run in place, and reach out to collect all of the coins.
You win! Make sure you subscribed. See you next time.